Okay, so I have got another AC control head that was mailed into me that the customer would like me to verify its operation. I figured since David's car's not back together yet, it's a good candidate instead of cannibalizing one of my own. There's David's down there, which works. Here is Alvaro's. So I got it all hooked up. I just ran it through the glove box, other than this one little thing back there, which you have to get because it's power. If you don't plug this one in and it doesn't have a lot of slack in it, none of this will work. Okay, so it's off right now. And just like Alvaro said, nothing works. Look, and then it's alive. I've already ran it with the engine running to use the vacuum, and it's stuck on defrost. So again, I suspect it's that little switch down there. So I'm going to replace both the switches because I always do both. I'll check the connections back here while I'm there. But that's probably it right there. It's a little intermittent. Yep. Okay, so that's what we need to look at, is that. Okay, so I'm going to change the switches, and we're going to make sure this one works. All right, so here's what I got. This time I just left them all plugged in. Pretty simple. I'm just going to take these guys off here and there, and then I'm going to put it right back together. And you can see it's keyed in there, and it's keyed down in there. And this is the power wire I was talking about. If this is not plugged in, nothing over here will work. So this powers the whole control head, and then there's the switch, and then there's the levels, which is just going to be compressor engagement or disengagement because the modes are controlled by vacuum. There's a pretty cool look at all the vacuum ports. Somewhere in that book down there under HVAC is the schematic of the vacuum. Right, there's a look at the bottom. You can see it's keyed in, a 1/4 inch bolt. Same thing there. It slides in there. It keys in to this cam right here. All that controls is the vacuum valve on the engine side of the heater core, which will stop coolant flow to the heater core under max only. Otherwise, coolant flow always goes through the heater core, and it's just shut off by the blend door. It's time to put it back in and see if she works. All right, so we got it working. It's on defrost. It's on high. Okay, now I'm going to move it down the heater. And then I'm going to move it to vent. These are just air conditioner functions. They will always come out the vent. All right, so there you go. This is a tested, proven AC control head. Just make sure you get this little bad boy under there plugged in. This goes outside, those go outside. That's all it is. Don't break this cable either way. If you do, you can get it from Brian at G-Body. And have fun. Pretty simple system. Thanks for sending it in, Alvaro.